Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our lecture with prayer. Rabbi yassir wa la tuwassir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Okay, nursery class. Today we will do the page number 57 of maths. Okay, open your page number 57. Yes, open your page number 57. And what is this? Write down counting 0 to 20. Today we will revise the counting 0 to 20 because we have completed counting our 0 to 20 counting. Okay, now we'll start the counting on 1 dot. Yes, 0. What is the first number? 0. What comes after 0? 1. Make a straight line to touch the bottom line. 1. Okay, now 2. 2. What comes after 2? 3. Very nice, class. 3. 4. 4. 5. Yes, 5. What comes after 5? 6. Make a slide and then go round. Make a circle. What is this? 6. What comes after 6? 7. Make a straight line, then a slant line to touch the bottom line. 7. 8. 8. Very nice. 9. Come down to touch the bottom line. 9. What comes after 9? 10. Yes. 10. What comes after 10? 11. 11. 12. Every digit should touch the bottom line. What comes after 12? 13. Very nice, class. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. Revise the counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, what will be the next digit? 16. Very nice, class. 16. Shabash. 16. Make a straight line. 17. 18. 18. 19. What comes after 19? Very nice, class. 20. Here we will write digit 20. Very nice. Here we will write digit 20. Every digit should be neat and clean, and every digit should touch the bottom line. Your writing should be neat and clean. Don't turn out the pages. And complete this page in sequence 0 to 20 and learn the counting from 0 to 20. Okay, class, you should take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.